Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for your earbuds Sony LinkBuds Fit. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down. Go to Device Settings and then go to the System right here at the top. Now, right here we have gesture. So, just click on the settings icon here, and now decide you wanna use voice assistant with the left one or right one earbud. It's the same. So, I'm going with the left one, but if you wanna the right one, just click here. Now, click on the function. Right here we have the same function, and choose Google Assistant. Now, after you choose it, just click Done. Now let's check it. So, if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I should call Google Assistant. 1, 2. And maybe I should put it to my ear, and then I will check it for you. 1, 2. And right now, as you can see, we have this icon here, so it's activating. No widget here. I don't know why, but it works without this widget. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.